Hello viewers, app window 11 update KB5068861 is not installing on your PC. You are not alone. Many users are facing installation code error like these, and the update refuses to install no matter what they try. This update is part of Patch Tuesday, which means Windows will try to install it automatically because it includes fixes for 63 major security problems. But this issue is on some system. The installation keeps falling with the same 3 error codes. What to do if KB5068861 will not install? Option 1, use the media creation tool. This is currently the most reliable fix. Even if the update keeps falling, the media creation tool can install the new version successfully. And over testing, the media creation tool downloads Windows 11 build 26200.7171, which includes the full November 2025 update. And don't worry, your data stays safe as long as you select the option to keep your files. Option 2, download the .msu file manually. You can also visit the Microsoft Update Catalog, download the standalone update package.msu file and try installing it manually. Even if that fails, the media creation tool still works in most cases. What's new in the November 2025 update? This update is big, not just security fixes but real improvements. New start menu and colorful battery icons, fresh and cleaner UI enhancement, performance boost for gaming and everyday usage. Microsoft fixed issues where the screen wouldn't refresh during games or videos running in the background. The taskbar would load extremely slow after waking the PC from sleep. Better battery life on handheld devices. Handheld PCs like ROG LA finally get a fix for a long-running battery drain problem. But there are some problems. While many think improve, some handheld users, especially ASUS ROG LA owner, report Bluetooth breaking after installing KB5068861. Possibly fix. Open Device Manager, find AMD Bluetooth audio, disable it, then re-enable MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. This seems to solve the issue for several AMD users, though it's not a widespread bug. Conclusion: if Windows 11 KB5068861 refuses to install and show error like these error codes, avoid wasting time with basic scans. Just use the media creation tool. It's currently the most effective solution. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.